This channel gets millions of views and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month just by creating short videos with cats using artificial intelligence, and the best part is that their creation takes very little time. Some authors make them in just 10 minutes using free artificial intelligence tools. By the end of this video, you will learn exactly how to create your own AI cat videos, upload them to YouTube, and start developing a channel that can become very successful. Step 1. Creating a script using ChatGPT. After you have decided on the type of content you want to create, the moment comes to develop the plot. This may seem like a difficult task, but you don't need to do it alone. Artificial intelligence comes to the rescue. Open ChatGPT and enter a query that matches your ideas. For example, you can ask him to suggest a script for a video of a certain genre or theme. After just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a story plan or a detailed script for you, which can be used as the basis for your video. Step 2 is to create images using Leonardo AI. At this point, you will need visual elements to bring your story to life. Go to Leonardo AI and select the option to create images. Before you start, configure the generation parameters. Select the aspect ratio 9:16. Then paste the query received from ChatGPT and click Generate. Leonardo AI. I will provide you with 4 unique images in one generation session. This way you can repeat the process and create a large number of different images. When all the necessary images are ready, we can now move on to the next step. The next step is image animation. To do this, I will use Immersion AI. This tool converts static images into short animated videos. Go to the Immersity AI platform, upload the selected image, and wait a bit while it animates. After that, you will see a ready-made animation that can be customized to your liking. When you have completed the settings, download the animated image. Repeat this process for the other images to animate them. The next step, editing videos, is very simple, especially with the free CapCut video editor, which is available on both mobile devices and PCs. To get started, open a new project and import all your animated images that you plan to use to create videos. After that, you can start combining your clips. To do this, carefully crop the images and video clips so that they blend harmoniously with each other. Arrange them in the right sequence to create a logical and consistent video sequence. Next, you can add effects. Choose those that emphasize the style and mood of your video. You can choose the effects that are suitable for your video. Don't forget to add transitions between scenes. To do this, go to Transitions and select the transition that is most suitable for the video so that the video looks smoother and more professional. The next step is to select the background music. To do this, go to Pixabay, where you can find music without copyrights. Select the appropriate music, download it, and then import it into CapCut, adding it to your video. After all the steps are completed, you will have a high-quality, finished video. Now you can export your video. Also try to improve the quality of your videos and post new videos regularly to increase the number of views. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me. Grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.